What the heck? That ball is like, all right. What?
There you go. You got
Oh my gosh. Okay. Got you that time. Don't do this. You missed. Oh shoot. Oh. All right. You see those guys over there? David and Dylan. All right. Let's go get them. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Oh, Dylan, Isaiah. Now it's Dylan's turn. Yeah, Isaiah threw the one at Dylan and hit Dylan and exploded and it got all over my hand. I was trying to get the one that Dylan's on. Isaiah did.
Oh, no, shit. Dude, I'm soaked. That was cold.
Oh.
Oh, she hasn't got you yet.
Oh, you missed. They don't explode on impact. They wait until they hit the ground.
I think she was trying to, like, you know, grab an egg and just.
Oh.
Not filled up enough.
Oh. Headshot.
No.
She exploded it on.
Oh.
Dang, the one Dylan threw at me hurt a little bit.
I was hoping he'd give me one.
Oh! Got him. Hey Isaiah, you looking like you just took a shower.
Can I see that? Oh no!
Oh, it's still alive. Oh, David almost dropped it and broke it.
Not full of hair.
He said I tried.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Almost. Oh, got one. Woo! Got two.
Okay, go get your dart.
All right, watch out, Zay.
We got to stand back farther. Yeah.
Liberty ran in and get the water. Okay.
I mean, didn't she get enough water from the water that I threw on her? Oh, because I dumped the water on Dylan. It was. Got to have a good time, right?
Especially when he's like,
I can't hit him.
super reflex.
Yeah. I don't know how I got him, but I got him. No. Let go. Oh, she got me. Oh, no. Yeah.
I was ready for They do work.
Here, Liberty.
Hey, I went through your shirt. I mean, your seat.
Liberty, come inside, it's your turn.
Your turn to throw the darts.
Right over here by this orange thing. Yeah, watch out. Don't make sure you don't hit nobody. Hit one.
They did it free.
Yeah.
Ah, she's doing better than Dylan.
I know, right? And you.
I broke one.
One more.
Well, if these were real metal, I think I would have had one.
Oh.
Good try. I got two. I think I was.
Oh, whoa. Hey, hold on. It's my turn to pop one.
That don't count. Two. One more. Three. Okay. Good job, baby girl. Go.
Oh, almost. He got the tail. There it is.
Man, I raised it up, he still hits.
I know books and stuff, right?
Yep.
Okay, Lily.
Watch out, Liberty.
That is not the
pinata.
Wait until Grandma moves.
We'll let you know when. Go.
Then the butt.
Oh! I felt the wind off that one.
There's three.
I mean, you barely hit it, but there's 3.
Now go for it.
Pretend it's Bubby and he got on your nerves. There, really got it going. Nice.
Go for it.
Oh! He busted his head open. Oh, hit him in the nuts.
Hard, Liberty. Hit it hard. Oh, you missed it.
What's up? Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, wait, it broke it.
Wait.
Yay! Hold on.
Dana, throw it up.
Back up. Hey.
Dana.
Oh, snap. Can I have some of this? No, I'm just playing.
Hey, Dana, toss it up for me.
Bubby's taking everything.
Okay, for all the Call of Duty fans out there, Isaiah, ready?
Yep.
Frag out!
Oh!
Frag out!
We're in the hole.
You are dead, Frederick.
What? No, I killed you. Oh, that's just a smoke grenade. Never mind, not frag. It's just a smoke grenade, Isaiah.
Okay.
Thank you, Mom, for holding it. I didn't die. We didn't die. I just threw a grenade, though. It smokes a lot, though.
Yeah, it stinks as well.
What?
It stinks as well.
Does it? It don't smell good like them ones?
No, you can go up there and smell it.
Does it feel good to be in a video not getting pranked? I know, right? I like your shirt, though.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Dang. If I didn't like that, I would probably take a sip.
No, I forgot to get you stuff.
Oh, you did? All right, I'm getting Isaiah and whoever else wants to do it. All right, this is Isaiah and Liberty.
I have one and
Oh, I do?
yeah.
All right, there you go, Isaiah. Is it like a sparkler? Really? Oh, that is cool. Isaiah, let's get it.
Go out a little further.
Not near Bubby, though. That's crazy. Huh. What's up, Isaiah?
You better hit the subscribe button.
Yeah, because this is lit. Right, Liberty?
You better hit the subscribe button.
With post notifications on.
No, this one, someone else will one.
Oh, that wasn't definitely not me. Probably Isaiah.
Probably.
He ruins a lot of things. He ruins a lot of people's hopes and dreams in Fortnite. Am I right?
I'm the one who got 23 wins, so I won.
I wasn't talking about me. I was talking about the people you go against.
Oh,
Say what? See, they come out and then in.
you're all fine.
I got a sword too, everybody. Ooh. I got a sword. We're playing Minecraft. Mine's bright. This is crazy. Okay. Woo! Pow!
Let's get it!
Woo! There it is. Let's go. Pink ball power. Actually, it's purple, but it's supposed to be pink. I know, right? Whoa, let's get it. That one's pretty cool. Let's go. The grand finale is started, baby. Let's get it. Grand finale! Woo! Rockin' party! Grand finale. Yeah, the grand finale. Woo! Dang. How'd you like it, Isaiah? Awesome.
Even more awesome, having that like button up and that fun and being subscribed.
That would be even better, dog. Let's go. And the post notifications. You already heard it. I hope y'all liked that video. Real quick, I'm gonna go check on my dude Buddy back here. Make sure he's doing all right. How is everything, Buddy? Are you doing great?
He's doing good.
Are you doing good, Buddy? You looking like you're doing pretty good. I love you.
He's tired. He heard those fireworks. He's like, no, they're doing that.
You good though? I mean, oh no, guys, my balls dropped. Get off me! Help! Help! She's got me! Oh no, I'm going down! You better get out! Ah!
Come on.
Oh, my bad.
Go.
Okay, guys, so we were just joking around, talking about, like, he asked me if I wanted a rubber or whatever. So the reason why it's so funny is because one time when he was, a couple years ago, it was like 3 or 4 years ago, back when I was still in a relationship or whatever. No, wait, no, it was before I got into a relationship. It was before, like, long before Ashley, like 2 years.
When I was able to,
And-
like, walk.
Yeah, it was like literally when he was like 5.
I think it was 6.
Yeah, he was like 5 or 6. he walked into the bathroom in the gas station. You know how they got the little condom things for 75 cents? He bought it and then surprised me with a gift saying it was a balloon. And literally, it was a balloon. And everybody in my family laughed about it. He was just like, what are you talking about? Why are you laughing about my gift? Anyways, long story short, he gave me a condom when he was 6 years old. I was like 16, 17. And it was just the funniest thing. It was way before I did YouTube too, so it was just hilarious. And then for that, at one point you were like, I want my balloon back. So you ask me for the rubber and you start blowing the rubber up. That makes plenty of sense. That makes so much sense, don't it? You're crazy. This is all the PlayStation 4. I got my Xbox, this is all my stuff right here. Because, I'm spending the night. There's my TV. There's his TV. There's a llama from Fortnite. There's a Fortnite bus behind there. There's that Joker thing. And you know what I'm saying. Fortnite, you heard me? Oh, there's that. Alright, guys, let's go get Buddy's thoughts on this. Okay, Buddy, what are your thoughts on him blowing my rubber up after giving it to me? I know, right? Exactly. It's like me and him are like conjoined minds or something. He says exactly what I need said. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Now you're putting it in his face. Now you're just making him mad. He's like, get that the hell away from me. So we were just sitting here talking, having a conversation, and he was like, you should put this in the video. And I was like, I don't know about it. But then I was like, you know what? We're gonna do it. Okay, so this dude right here, when he was like 3 or 4 or something like that, I can't remember. I know I was still in high school. Anyways, we have the recording, and if I ever find the recording again, I will put it in another video, and then I'll bring it up again. Anyway, I can't remember what happened. I think
You stole my cookie. I'm pretty sure.
No, it was definitely not that. You were coming to ask if you could spend the night, and I wouldn't answer you, and I was ignoring you the whole time, and you kept asking like a bunch of times, and then he went back to my mom, which is his grandma, and brother, which is Dana, which is his uncle. Anyway, said that that I was a dick, and they recorded it. They were like, "What'd you call him? A dick?" And then he was like, "Say it one more time. What is Charlie? He was like, Charlie's a dick." You know, Dana. He got acting it on, and he was like, wait, hold on, one more time. He said it like 5 or 6 times. He was like, Charlie's a dick. But then, like, now thinking about it, it's funny because like we are like best friends anyway. It's just hilarious. It was funny. Now I'm not a dick. That's all. That's the story right there. I am not no dick anymore. No, I'm just playing. We're playing Minecraft. Okay, the funny thing is, he knows how to play this game.
I played for 6 years.
I thought you played it since you were like 3. I saw you. Don't think I didn't. Hiding out there. Okay, so I've never played this game except, well, actually a couple times I played it, but like nothing. I don't know anything about that. I just got attacked. Okay, I do know that part.
I'm joining you right now. I joined the game.
Isaiah's joining me right now. I'm not sure how to play this game, but Isaiah's going to show me the way. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to leave a fat thumbs up. Also subscribe if you are new, because we are on the road to 1,000. I'm going to be doing the biggest video of my life whenever we do get to 1,000. It's going to be a banger. I want to miss it. It's going to be insane. I do hope you guys did enjoy, and leave a comment down below if you do want to, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.